We'll show off a new feature called Calculation Templates, which is new to Estimate Master 5.0 on the Mac platform. I'll start by showing you how we use them, the calculation templates, once we've created them. So let's start with a simple example. Whenever you see a star or an asterisk in the right hand column under add, that indicates there is a template assigned to that item or part item or that assembly. So here's an each. Click it. Okay, this is a template for just a real simple one. You just want to enter quantity, enter the quantity, add the estimate, and there it is in the estimate. Here's one for feet. So there's a template assigned to that. Here we have a length. So we got some length items. They're 8 feet long, and the quantity, let's say it's 12. Add the estimate. Very quick and easy way to create your estimates. And here's a more complicated one called square inch. This is based on a new type in the units called units with, or each with units. So let's click on that. Now we have a calculation, so we can put this is square inches, so let's assume a sheet of paper of 8 by 10 inches. You can see that is 80 square inches. It did that calculation for us. 1,000 sheets. Add to estimate. There's our item. 80 square inches per sheet, 1,000 sheets. That's the cost based on that price. And you can assign the same template to different material items. So if you have a different cost per square inch, you can click that one on the asterisk, and then it'll do that calculation with that particular cost, or it is. You can do the same thing with assemblies. So here's an assembly. I'll show you what's in the assembly. We got a labor item and a price per square inch item. Just to show you what it looks like. Now let's click on it. Okay, again, it's does the calculation for you. Because I've set this up in the template, I want to multiply these two values, and this is the units that goes into the estimate, and put the quantity in. Add the estimate. Now that was Calc 1 assembly. So there's Calc 1. There's two items in it. There's a labor item and a material item. So you can put these on templates on labor as long as you put the labor in an assembly. Okay, there's another assembly called a cubic yard item. This is based on the unit types, each with units. So let's click on that. Now I have 3 factors multiplied and then divided by 27, and that's the result. So let's say we have a cube 1 foot by 3 feet by 3 feet by 3 feet. Divided by 27, that's 1 cubic yard. Add that to the estimate. Let's take a look and see what we have. There's our cubic yard. So the units 1 cubic yard at quantity 25. There's our cost. So now you can see the power of templates. Let's show you how we edit a template. So if we want to edit the cubic yard, the one we just used, let's click the edit button. So I've got 3 fields here, which are labels. The labels you want to see on the template when you execute it. So height in feet, width in feet, depth in feet. And do I want to use multiply? I can choose any operator like multiply, divide, whatever. And the final result of these 3 is divided by 27. So you can put those values in, and then the final result label is cubic yards. And that's what it looks like when you execute it. So that's what the templates are about. It's a way, convenient way to enter estimates without actually doing any editing in the estimate screen. You can just simply add them, and everything goes in the estimate screen, no editing required in the estimate. And you can apply these to, each template can be applied to as many items as you want, both material items and assemblies. So if you have a template, let's find a template here. You can have as many templates as you want as well. Here's a length template. So if I want to assign it to an item, I click the item I want to assign it to, and then make sure this is part material, and this in the left grid, and then click assign. Now I'm assigned that template to that item. Works the same way on the assembly. And then there's related to this is a new unit type called each with units, which is each with any, like if I want to do make a cubic yards, I would select that, add it, then I would edit that to cubic yards, and that's a new item, each with units, and you click on it, you see that it's assigned to this basic unit type. Let's remove that because they already have one. Okay. That is about it.